Hello guys. I have earlier said there are lots of businesses yet untapped. We'll be talking about yet another business idea in this video. How would you feel owning a factory or having your products in the market? Happy, I guess. Why do this business? The factory space required is small. It is a trending business. Product demand is very high. There are limited players in the business. It is profitable. It is easy to maintain and manage. The capital needed is moderate. Honey, please check on the barbecue.
Okay, dear.
So, what business are we looking at today? It's the business of crochet hair production. Before I continue on this, if you like our content so far, please click on the subscribe button, like this video and share to get notified whenever we post a video. Crochet hair production is a fast-moving business in today's world because 80 to 90% of the ladies use it. My wife here can elaborate more on this.
Yeah, that is so true. Most ladies, including myself, don't feel comfortable sitting in a salon all day, but the hair crochet is a whole game changer. Now I spend just 45 minutes to 1 hour at most to style my hair, and the products are amazing. Don't I look gorgeous? So yeah, I'm sure the business is trending and profitable.
So there you have it. What are the requirements for a mini factory for production of crochet hair? Fiber, crochet brush, oven, spokes, scissors, tables and chairs, measuring tapes, ropes, labels and packaging nylons. There are different colors of the fiber depending on the color you want to produce. Crochet hair production can be done with 750,000 to 1 million naira, which is about $1,500 to $2,000. These are some examples of the products. You want to know about a business you can start with less than $100 only? Then, check out my channel. It is advisable to make necessary consultations before starting off any business for proper understanding of the business. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments section and we'll be sure to get back to you ASAP.